Here.
Oh, look at that. Nice
Another rock for your garden, nice flat one. So today I'm preparing a hole for a needle palm that I dug out in our lower garden because it was there growing in shade and really dry soil, not like the rest of our garden isn't dry. It's all rock in here, right?
Yeah.
You have to use a pick.
Ugh. Yeah.
It's nasty.
Our garden's.
It's nasty digging.
And yet our garden is so lush. It's because we've worked hard at it. So Joe's got his cactus garden right over here. So,
your cactus garden too.
Well, I put some in there too, but he has dug up the needle palm from down below. And he said he bought that, oh wow, quite a few years back. He paid $350. So we have others now that we didn't have to pay that much for. But yeah, so hopefully this will thrive in its new home.
Oh, digging here sucks.
Yeah, but it will get a lot of sun there.
Yeah, it's hot here.
And hot.
Yeah, that's what you need this far north. Needle palms need a lot of sun. And
there's our...
south, they grow in the shade, they'll be fine, but here, you want sun. So I gotta get these rocks out of here first. Big rock there, another big rock. You can use for your garden. So right here.
Whoa. More rocks. Hot, isn't it?
Look at it.
Oh.
That's a big one too.
Hmm.
I gotta get it out of here.
Yeah.
That's how much fun it is to dig here, folks. Oh my God. I can see it. It's a big flat one. Right there. It goes deep. So I gotta get it out of there in order to plant this needle. Right in the line of fire.
Yeah.
See that, baby? Right there. Get it out of here. It's really dry, eh? Look at it.
Oh yeah, so dry. That's why I don't have anything planted in this area.
Well, we will now.
We're getting ready. We're going to build our dartboard right over there. And it's sort of our pathway. We've got our recycling. Actually,
no shortage of rock here. That's why they call this place the Rock. Here. Here. Come on out. Come on. Here it is.
Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Oh. That's a big one. Holy. Wow, nice.
Check out that.
That'll be a nice stepping
That's hard. That's good
stone.
sandstone.
Yeah.
Really good sandstone. So, there we go. Nice.
Good.
Another one here. Okay, folks. Planting a needle palm. I think that's good.
Just using a sort of an all-purpose soil.
Yeah, that's what we're using. And I'm going to soak that down. I always make the soil really moist. The digging here is the worst part. It's hot. I'm sweating. I think humidity's up a little bit today. I like it. There. So soak that down.
Soaked.
Drainage is so fast here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so needle palm coming in.
I think that probably, this area's probably never seen that much water in 100 years. It's covered by, there's cedar trees, there's an arbutus here. It's very protected from the rain, but yeah, and it gets a full-on afternoon sun, so it does get very hot.
Look at the needles on
here.
this trunk here. Isn't that
Let's
crazy?
see.
Look at that. Look at that's why they call it a needle palm.
God, they're spiny.
Look at that's why you got to wear gloves when you're
Sharp.
Oh yeah, they call it a porcupine palm or
No
a needle palm.
kidding.
So they're native to
Nasty.
the southeastern United States.
Yeah. Ow.
And this is going to be heavy.
Look at all the suckers coming off it. Holy.
Yes.
Oh yeah, perfect, Joe.
That is beautiful, right? There. That's a good spot.
Do you want to turn it more my way? Yeah, even a bit
Ow!
more.
Oh,
Yeah,
got a
good.
needle stuck in me. Right there.
Okay.
I think that's good. So it was growing in shade and super dry
Yeah.
soil. I think it's going to be a lot happier here. So I'm
Cool.
going to dump that in there too.
Yeah.
Dump it all in there. Move this out of here.
Okay.
And then I'm going to put some potting soil around it. So like I say, folks, a $5 hole for a $1 plant. Got Trachycarpus fortunae palms sprouting up around it here because it was actually growing at the base of some
Oh, is that what that?
Those are just, there's a bunch of Trachycarpus palms growing
okay.
around it, but
Which is fine.
you can't help that.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful
Beautiful.
palm. It is really a nice palm.
Do you want to tilt it kind of this way a little bit? Can you do that? Yeah. Yeah. So it doesn't totally.
Like that?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. There you
Does
go.
it kind of have that higher wall behind it?
Water it down real good. It hasn't seen this much water in a long time. Poor thing. It was actually neglected, so I planted this around 2000.
So you're telling me you bought this and paid $350?
Yeah, I paid a lot of money for it because there was nobody really had needle palms at the time, and I got it special order. It might have been through the Palm Society, something like that. I'm guessing. I know Phil brought it over for me.
Wow.
Friend Phil.
From the mainland.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I might have to put more. I got lots of soil on the bottom of the hole. I think I'll probably put another bag around it. I want this guy to be happy. Looks good there though.
Oh, it does.
And that way we can water it more because we're always watering up here.
Ooh. My battery's going down.
Okay. Anyway, I think you get the.
Okay.
I think you get the idea.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be really nice. Let me get a. I'll get a picture. If you turn, I'll get your picture with it. Where my battery goes.